I've been checking and investigating into Tryzivo Meow Pro to see if their claims hold up or if this is another risky site. This product is heavily advertised as a probiotic supplement that helps picky or sick cats start eating again and supports better digestion. So we're breaking down the legitimacy, real user data, and the final verdict: buy or avoid. Tryzivo Meow Pro is a liquid probiotic for cats that claims to restore appetite, improve gut health, reduce vomiting, and get even fussy cats eating normally within days. It comes in a 1-ounce bottle for around $38 with discounts and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Well, actually, the before and after stories and thousands of perfect reviews on the site look impressive, but basically many cat supplement ads overpromise results. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. Scam Detector gives Tryzivo.com a low trust score of 19.8. Greedinsoft shows 65 out of 100. The domain is only 3 months old. This young domain means the site has almost no long track record, so this leans toward caution. Moving on to real user experience in reviews. Trustpilot has a 3.7 score but only 1 review, and it's not about the Meow Pro. The person said, "Fast shipping. I bought a 3-in-1 toothbrush from them and it arrived in 5 days. Perfect quality. I'm so happy with my purchase. 10 out of 10. The official site claims 4.7 stars from over 13,000 reviews, yet independent feedback for this probiotic is almost non-existent. That mismatch is a big red flag. Pros? If it works, it could help picky eaters at a reasonable price. Cons? The downside is unproven results for most cats, possible cheap formula, and the risk it does nothing while your cat still refuses food. One strong red flag is the low Scam Detector score, brand new 3-month domain, and huge claimed reviews that don't appear anywhere else. So with the low trust score, very young domain, and lack of real independent proof, don't risk your money here. Proceed with extreme caution or just avoid Tryzivo Meow Pro and talk to your vet about proven appetite stimulants or probiotics instead. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just make sure you protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If this helped you avoid a bad purchase, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.